Hi everyone, this is Mehmet Koçak, the Professor of Biostatistics at Medipol University. Upon graduating from Hacettepe University with a bachelor's degree of statistics, through a study abroad scholarship from the Turkish government, I continued my education in Michigan State University in the field of applied statistics. After I got my master's degree in this field in 1999, I continued on my doctoral work in the same university. In 2002, I started working as a full-time biostatistician at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital in Memphis, Tennessee, which is an NIH NCI designated comprehensive cancer center. Starting also in 2002, I became a protocol biostatistician in Pediatric Brain Tumor Consortium, which is a consortium established and funded by NIH, NCI, National Institute of Health, and National Cancer Institute of the United States to conduct Phase 1 and Phase 2 clinical trials of brain tumor in children. While I continue my PhD at the University of Memphis on a part-time basis, I climbed all career ranks from statistical analyst to lead senior biostatistician at St. Jude. And I worked as a protocol biostatistician responsible for retrospective and prospective clinical research studies especially in brain tumor area. After finishing my PhD in applied statistics in 2011, I moved to academia as an assistant professor in the Division of Biostatistics under the Department of Preventive Medicine at University of Tennessee Health Science Center, again in Memphis, Tennessee. I became an associate professor of biostatistics in 2015 and professor in 2021. I gave graduate courses on statistical programming and categorical and survival data analysis. And I also designed clinical trials on public health fields such as smoking cessation, weight loss, diabetes, osteoporosis, drug utilization, etc. Meanwhile, I continued my role as the protocol biostatistician in Pediatric Brain Tumor Consortium and Children's Oncology Group in the US. I worked as a consultant biostatistician from 2015 to 2019 for a US-based international device company that manufactures artificial hip and knee. In this company, I designed studies and also monitored data collection and data publication. Since 2020, I've been a protocol biostatistician for a COVID-19 clinical trial conducted by a US-based pharmaceutical company. Again, in this study, I designed the study and I am heavily involved in data collection, data analysis, and protocol monitoring. In addition to these consultancy efforts in the US, since 2019, I've been also a reviewer for an NIH panel. I am currently in Turkey as part of a project through TÜBİTAK 2032 International Fellowship for Outstanding Researchers. I can summarize our consultancy services as follows. We can provide consulting services anywhere from study design to study monitoring, from data quality check to data analysis, and from data safety monitoring to publication. In any type of clinical research, we typically start with the design by evaluating what the research questions are, what types of data already exist in this field, or what type of data will be collected, how such data will be analyzed, and how such analyses will be interpreted and disseminated. As biostatisticians, we should ideally be involved at the earliest stage possible of this process timeline. However, we can be involved at later stages, evaluate what has already happened, where we are moving forward to, and how to do so in a more timely and resource-efficient manner. We can act as the primary biostatistician in a given project or act as an independent outside biostatistician who confirms or challenges what has already produced from the previous primary statistical work. As there is an irresistible move towards digitalization and data capture in every segment of business, government, and academia, we can help with establishing analysis-focused, result-focused digitalization and data collection processes so that the accumulating streaming data can be more readily analyzable. Medipol Technology Transfer Office, with all its professional personnel and efficient processes, is like a great friend who accompanies you in a long journey. They know the territory, they know the needs, and they have the expanding experiences of similar journeys. They know how to navigate within an expanding network of decision makers, and they are time conscious, telling you what to do in what order, how to do them, when to do and with whom to do them, In short, with Medipol TTO and its great team, you don't feel lost.